Right. Now I'm going to tell you about how to change this counter from up counter to down counter. As you can see on the screen that this ripple counter is counting from 000 to 111. This is actually up counting. So how to change this counting from up counting to down counting? So there is two ways in which ripple counter can be changed from up counter to down counter. The first, as you can see, please see on the screen. As you can see on the screen, this is a ripple counter. This is a up counter. There is some this negatively edged triggered. This is dot. This circle is showing as negatively edge. If you change this negatively edge trigger, if you change this clock from negative edge to positive edge means it's triggering on the edge. As you can see, this is the edge, this is the edge of the clock, it's triggering on the edge. This is level and this is edge, this is triggering on the edge. This is a negative trigger, negative edge trigger. So you can, if you can change this negative edge trigger flip flop by positive edge trigger flip flop, so in this way you can change this up counter to down counter, right? The second way is very interesting. In the second way, instead of connecting the input which is Q0, Q1 and Q2 in the second and third flip flops, the output which is Q0, Q1, Q2 into the inputs which is of second flip flop and third flip flop, instead of connecting this input of flip flop Q1 to the output of proceeding flip flop this next flip flop, connect it to the complement output of the next flip flop. As you see, you can see on the screen that the complement of this flip flop can come from here. See my cursor here. You can get this complement which is Q0 from here. If you put this Q0 here, the second flip flop's out input clock. So in this way you can